So it's great to be here for our first Clerkenwell Design Week. This really gives us the opportunity to engage with architects and designers and the very talented architect and design community that's here in Clerkenwell. The Axor Water Dream projects are really looking into the bathrooms of the future. Probably for over 20 years now, Axor has been seeking innovative bathroom solutions, the bathroom of the future. So we invited 5 well-renowned international designers really to come up with ideas and concepts that thought about the bathroom taps beyond the concrete functionality of the taps.
So the installation we've created here at the Interface showroom is really just about how we bring biophilic design elements into what's clearly, a very urban area. We've used a variety of different carpet tiles, so they have kind of grassy colours and patterns. We've added to that stone wall tiles onto the walls, and then we've layered that up with plants and greenery and even water features in the background.
With the Clerkenwell Design Week and the launch of the Keen Chair Group, what we wanted to do is we wanted to immerse people in partly in the process that we've gone through together with Herman Miller to develop the chairs, but also the key thing about this group of chairs is that it's made of 4 component parts. Those 4 component parts can be put together in lots of different ways to give chairs that all hang together from a visual continuity perspective, but can be very different depending on what you're looking for from the product.
The focus of our activity at Clerkenwell Design Week is well-being in the workplace. So we have introduced several new products. One is a nap booth, focusing on a sort of 15-minute recovery snooze. And the unifying theme of well-being is jungle and trees and calm. Connecting with that is an artistic interpretation on an entire double-height wall by Remy Ruff of his interpretation of a well-being piece of art.
We were really excited about collaborating to create something for Clerkenwell Design Week. There's lots of really interesting, exciting stuff going on, and we're really interested in using everyday items, everyday materials and objects, and presenting them in new lights and changing the context of them.
Trinetic, the chair that I'm sat in, which is the world's first fully certified 8-hour task chair to give the comfort and dynamic support required for 8-hour use without having any manual user adjustments. This is the labour of love that has taken over our lives for 3 years to get to this point.
We've just completed the outdoors redesign of the showrooms, and we felt they were missing, the ability to communicate about their colour and their textures and their product in its totality as a design tool. So we tried to create the showroom as a kind of gallery of the flooring, really focusing on the flooring, everything from celebrating of their product, using it in a kind of dynamic and inspirational way.
It has been a fantastic cooperation we had with Tom Dixon and his team. Tom is a designer who works different than many other designers. We launched this in the UK during this Clerkenwell Design Week. When people hear the story and the inspiration, the background for the whole collection, people very clearly see the link between the inspiration and the actual designs.
We've been working with Milliken and the J.D. Ilk Foundation, looking at ways we can lessen the barriers for young people to get into the design community in general. So as part of that, we decided to work with Jade on trying to give young people opportunities to come in and work with manufacturers and design houses, etc., to find out about how to work, getting some work experience basically.
We're here in our Clerkenwell showroom for Clerkenwell Design Week, and this year we're launching 2 products. These have both been a 2-year collaboration. We've worked with industry designers, so Oscar was designed by Jones and Partners, and the Steps chair was designed by David Fox. Oscar chair in particular is a fabulous test chair where it's really about making it your own chair. The Steps chair by David Fox is a beautifully crafted piece, beautiful show woods, and there's a real family. So different legs, different finishes, and it's a real top-end product.